Well, Lingen Sahara Dave Lina Tá Beidir and Far is Sausta in air, and that might be a good description, Liam Sheedy, for you. Congratulations after last Sunday's win. The celebrations are still in full flow in Tipperary?
Look, it's been a great few days for us back in Tipperary. You know, it's hard to get your hands on Liam McCarthy, so it just brings so much joy to everyone in the county, Micheál, you know, to see what it means to young people and old people and people that we're all very close to. So it's been a really, really good few days, and as I said, the lads are great ambassadors, and they've given so much of their time to the kids and the communities and the families around the county over the last few days, so it's been really good.
And what was it like going back home to Portroe?
Look, going back to your own club is always special. You know, the club is a special part of me right throughout my career, and they've been so good to me, so it was nice to get back there on Wednesday night. We had a great night.
Big headlines in the paper this morning, Liam. Wondering, are you going to hang around for another year of it?
Yeah, look, I mean, we're going to enjoy what this is, and that's 2019. It's been a wonderful, wonderful year, so we'll deal with that in a few weeks' time. But for me, I just really enjoyed my term with the lads there. It was hugely, hugely enjoyable. They gave me everything, and as obviously to get to the pinnacle and win back Liam McCarthy was a very, very special year indeed.
But the winning back-to-back, Liam, must be something that you'd love to achieve. Having won in 2010, won in 2019, the Tipperary team hasn't done back-to-back since the 60s. People say Tip can't win, that they celebrate too much in the winter. So
yeah, but I think you see it with Galway and you see it with Limerick. Like, it's a very, very difficult thing to do. You know, it's such a tough championship. It really is arduous, and it takes a lot of other players. So at the moment right now, we're just delighted that the 2019 championship has found itself back, and we're in good shape here at half-time in this under-20 final. So, you know, the lads are playing with really, really good skill and a great energy about them tonight on the pitch. So Liam Cahill and Mikey Beavers have done a great job with their charges out here.
19 seconds in, I think, when the first goal went in. What a full forward, what a way the full forward line have played, and the way they've opened up Cork at will almost. Are you surprised Cork took so long to adjust defensively, maybe?
Yeah, but I think, you know, this is a very, very good full forward line, and they have real energy about them, and their movement and their work off the shoulder has been superb. And, you know, they always made the right decision. Their execution and giving the ball to the person in the best position has really impressed me. So, you know, at the moment the 4 goals are the difference, and it's going to be a long road back for Cork in the next 30 minutes.
It's 11 points. It's an 11-point game, Liam, at the moment. Is there a way back for Cork?
I honestly don't think so. I think some of their heads have dropped a little bit. You know, I thought they needed a goal maybe at the back end of that first half. It'll be a long road back, but, you know, if there is a county that can do it, it is Cork. They're the comeback kings from time to time in hurling, but they look really up against it, because this Tip team are really on fire tonight here in Limerick.
And finally, Liam, before we let you go, I know you're heading away on holiday, well deserved after all your efforts during the summer. A final word on the achievements of this team, and I suppose where Tipperary can go from here.
Yeah, look, they're a very, very talented bunch. They worked really, really hard, and, you know, they'll have to find another level again next year if they want to get back to where they got to this year. But, you know, there is another level in them. They really have massive belief in themselves. The work that they put in together and the unity they created over 2019 is special. You've got young players coming through, so, like, there definitely is something in this group, and they certainly have retained the same amount of ambition right now as they did this time last year. So, you know, they'll look forward. They'll enjoy their next few days, and they're entitled to that. But when they come back and when they get about their business, they'll be a serious team again in 2020, that's for sure.
All right, Carmina Maga, this cohort that is reached, Liam.
Thanks, Micheál.
All right, so Liam